Hi, I'm Jess from RUFFLY, and thanks for tuning in to our detailed breakdown of the knotted wristband supporting Girl Up.
We want you to live extraordinary together with your dog every day. That's why RUFFLY builds ethical outdoor dog gear that does good, goes everywhere, and looks amazing. Your RUFFLY gear is leather-free, color-fast, and made by skilled women artisans and tailors in small home workshops here in the Guatemalan highlands.
The knotted wristband is a stylish, unisex way to symbolize your connection to your dog and to support girls' empowerment around the world. All proceeds during our Go RUFFLY Around the World adventure go towards the nonprofit Girl Up. Girl Up was founded by the United Nations Foundation to advance the cause of gender equality. They have delivered leadership training and advocacy support to 90,000 girls in 120 countries. The knotted wristband features the same hand-tied, artisan-made knotted band that so beautifully decorates your dog's knotted collar and leash. Naturally dyed cotton frames the knotted band. This hand-woven fabric is durable, color-fast, and richly textured for a soft, comfortable wear against your skin. Rather than using a clumsy, bulky clasp, the knotted wristband features an elastic band that runs throughout the interior. The elastic band expands as you place the wristband over your hand and then contracts around your wrist. This produces a concealed closure and creates a comfortable, slip-free, active fit. The knotted wristband provides a simple, stylish, and convenient way to wear your connection with your dog and to support a cause that is so important to creating a fair and more just global society. Thanks for tuning in to our detailed breakdown of the knotted wristband, supporting Girl Up. If you have any questions about colors, sizing, or anything else, feel free to reach out to us through our Contact Us page or through our live chat app at GoRuffly.com. And of course, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.